Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by capturing the image with intent, text, product, or scene. Once done, open Google Lens and frame tightly. Zoom 1x 2x for clarity and steady your hands to reduce blur. Tap the OCR or object mode and highlight the exact region you want. This reduces noise and improves results when you later send it to ChatGPT. Make sure to export or share the selection as text or a clipped image, so you can paste or upload it into the ChatGPT interface immediately. Now you transfer the lens output into ChatGPT. Copy the OCR text to your clipboard or save the clipped image and use ChatGPT's upload feature. Once pasted or attached, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want, summarize, translate, extract action items, or generate product comparisons. Specify format, length, and tone. This context matters because it guides the model's output quality. If you're working with an image instead of text, describe what to focus on so the assistant knows which details to prioritize and why. Finish by refining. Ask follow-up prompts to clarify, expand, or condense the response until it fits your use. If OCR introduced errors, crop a cleaner image or manually correct a few keywords and resend. This fixes context for ChatGPT. Make sure to reference earlier replies when iterating. Troubleshooting tip. If ChatGPT misinterprets text or image details, provide a short correction and ask it to regenerate. This feedback loop is why combining Google Lens accuracy with targeted prompts yields reliable, actionable outputs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.